Boy, you know, I've always wanted to come in here. And now that I got a mustache, the timing feels right.
Can we get some salami and...
Brian, let me handle this. Che cosa?
Peter, what are you doing?
Speaking Italian.
Peter, you can't speak Italian just because you have a mustache.
Tu sei un pazzo, va via da qui. Sono stanco di te.
What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. Ciao. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Mi chiamo Chef Ray Sigel Donato. It's carbonara. Carbonara. Seafood carbonara. Carbonara with bucatini and guanciale. JPC gang with. Mamma mia, guanciale. Es delicioso. Come stai? Mangiamo. Mangiamo. 27. Let's go, baby. JPC gang, what's up? What's going on? That's right, seafood carbonara. It's not gonna be the traditional stuff. We're going all the way up. We have guanciale. Get it in the pan so it can saute and break down real good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start just like this with a sharp knife. Not too thick, not too thin. I would call this maybe a little bit over a 1/4 inch. Something like bacon. It is a cured pork meat. Stronger porky taste. So let's dice it up. Take that off because I don't know. You can see that? I don't know what that is. If y'all know what that is in my guanciale, let me know. We're not gonna eat it. Trash. Slice. Come in, don't act crazy on me. You get the point. We're making diced guanciale. If you can't find the guanciale, use bacon or prosciutto. We got this saute pan. Let's get the guanciale in this pan. You don't need a lot of heat. It's a medium to low heat. What you want this guanciale to do is to start to render down, almost like crackling, if you will, but not quite. Carbonara is traditionally what? Spaghetti noodles, bacon, eggs, and cheese, most of the time. The hardest part about this dish is not curdling your eggs. We don't want scrambled eggs. Let that render. So this is what we got on a medium to high heat. This guanciale has cooked down. It's rendered all that fat. Look at all that fat from the guanciale. Can you get in there? Yes, you can. Muy bonito. We're gonna strain this fat because we definitely need it for our sauce. So let's strain the fat and pull out the guanciale and get it in the bowl. We need the fat, baby, for our sauce, all right? Liquid gold, baby, liquid gold. Do not get rid of that. That is guanciale fat. So let's make this sauce for the carbonara. With this sauce, we're gonna need 6 eggs. We basically taking 1 whole egg, getting it down in a bowl with the guanciale. 1 whole egg, guanciale in there. You don't need all the rest of these eggs. What you need from this is the yolk. Open up, get in there with your hands separated, just like this, that easy. 1 yolk, 2 yolks. Best way to do it is use your hands. Yolk, that's what we need. This is, so they say, the hardest part about this recipe. You don't want to scramble your yolks. Everything is done lightly. Pay attention because it's gonna go quick. You're not trying to get air in these yolks. You just want to kind of break them up, move them around a little, mix this up. That's all you need. It's mixed. Let's get some pasta going. We got about 7 cups of water in there. We're gonna add half a cup of salt, half a cup of seasoning. You don't want your water to be bland. Importante. Tablespoon of olive oil. And this is the pasta we're using today for our carbonara. Bucatini. This is like a spaghetti noodle, a long noodle. It's not a short, but it's almost identical as spaghetti. You got holes in the middle of that where the sauce can get down and every bite can have that carbonara sauce in there. Carbonara. I got a pound here. We're gonna get it down into our water. Top on, that's gonna take about 7 to 10 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Here we go, baby, for the best part. I think it's the best part anyway. We got some colossal shrimp, peeled and deveined, a lobster tail, the little neck clams. That's gonna be muy delicioso. We got some lump crab meat here. About a half a pound of lump crab meat. Delightful, delicioso, luxurious, all of those things. Mamma mia. Let's start off by getting our little neck clams and some water, some agua. Cleaned them off, got a lot of the sand out. Make sure everything is right. About a pound of little neck clam. We got these going into this water. Let them do their thing real quick. Once they open, they done. pull them out. So we can kick this up to the next level as far as flavor goes. 1, 2, and 3, you know that's white wine, baby. Vino Blanco, right? 3 turns of the salt, maximum flavor in these things. The magic dust, baby. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. We could just throw our seafood in the pot and let it steam, baseability, but you know that's not us. We going next level with it. Let's take this lobster tail. We gotta deal with him accordingly right quick. Sharp knife, we're gonna bust them open just like that. So we got our lobster tail bust down the middle. We got our colossal shrimp. This dish don't take long. Start to finish, 10 to 15 minutes, 20 tops. Real quick on this seafood. SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. If you didn't know, SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. What's next, JPC gang? The magic dust. Olive oil right across the top. Get them tossed in there. Listen, we indoors, so what we're gonna do is take our Sterno 5106 real quick and have them grilled up. Seafood don't take long, maybe a minute or 2 on each side with these shrimps, or until they turn pink and they done. We wanna get it directly over the flame so we can get that charcoal, the smoky flavor on these shrimps. A little bit of the crispification. Get your lobster tails on there. We indoor grilling. This seafood not gonna take long, maybe like I say, a minute or 2 on each side. JPC gang, we're approaching that 1,000 mark. Time for that live giveaway. 500 bucks. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you ready, make sure you following all the social media sites. Everything is gonna be linked down below in the description. Because we over this direct flame, you wanna make sure you keep moving your seafood. Don't let it get too charred, but we want that charred smoky flavor on there, baby. This is what we do for maximum flavor, all right? Maximum. A teaspoon of magic dust. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. Guanciale. We're not gonna use the olive oil this time. Guanciale fat. Toss it in there. Compound butter. I'll leave the recipe for the compound butter down in the description. This is garlic butter with all type of herbs and just a little bit of spice, but it's nice in the bowl with the seafood. Give it a toss. Fresh cracked pepper. It's never gonna be bland, baby. Get that out to the side, let that melt, let that marinate, let it do its thing. Let's get our pasta. We're gonna go in and take about a half a cup of that pasta water out. We need it for our carbonara sauce. This is what I like to do. Get you some cold water. We just want to bring the temperature down just a little bit because we still need to cook those eggs. Just so you won't curdle your eggs. Don't curdle your eggs. What you want to do is take this pasta while it's still hot, put it in there. Immediately, you want to start moving it around. Get you some cheese in there. This is Parmesan cheese. Add some in there. 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese going over that sauce. Tablespoon of your pasta water. A lot of the black pepper. If you don't like it, cut back, but this recipe calls for a ton of the black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper. 2 tablespoons. The fat from your pork jowl. You want to put about, let's see. Yeah, that much, maybe a tablespoon. Give it a toss. In addition to the sauce, we're gonna add some sweet bell pepper in there. The guanciale is salty, cheese is salty. It's a lot of salt going on in that thing, baby. It's salty. So these are sweet. You can call it a slice, you can call it a julienne, but they red sweet bell peppers is what they are. We have this. You know what this is? Do not say it's a dirty pan.
What it is, yo? What's up?
We call that fine, AKA flavor, baby. Put that pan back on there. Compound butter in the pan. Teaspoon of the olive oil. You like, Chef Ray, Mr. Money, what does the fine have to do with it? I'ma show you. Easy, take it easy. Moisture.
Say what?
A half a teaspoon fresh cracked pepper in the pan. To the glaze all the way, we're going with a white wine. Use your favorite white wine. All the fine is over the peppers, and the peppers is fond of the flavor. Lump crab meat. We're gonna go right in the pot. This is another sweet component. Give it a toss just like that. We just want to put some heat on the meat. We can't be basic, so we going in with all our peppers and lump crab meat. Let's give it a toss. Yeah, this one you probably ain't seen before. I know it. Nothing basic about it. Smell delicioso. Mamma mia. So let's plate this up. Look at Lou. Cheesy. Delicioso. Let's give it a twist. Finesse right in the middle, baby. Pork jive and the sweet peppers. Everyone is happy. Now it's time. So it's time for what? It's time for no baseability. Take your seafood, baby. Seafood carbonara. And that's what we have. Right up top. Act like you forgot what we did. You know exactly what we have done. Some lobster tails. Just like that. You see the bottom of that there? Garlic butter and delicioso. Spoon it right over there. The little necks, don't feel left out, baby. We got you. It's okay. You get some juice. You get juice. You get juice. You get the juice.
Pull up and I got the juice. I got the juice.
You know you get the juice, baby. Come back with that compound butter right up top. Fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Make it rain. We're done. It is time, baby. Come in here. Buon appetito. Mangiamo. You gonna be last. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't feel left out. That garlic butter getting all down through. Yeah. Give it the spin. Come here. Real shrimp, smoky. Wow. The meat come out like that there. Okay. Lemon down. That sauce dripping over there. Come here, Mr. Lobster. Sweet, creamy. JPC gang, y'all got to try this out. This is one like no other. Listen, baby, it's me, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. I hope you enjoyed this show today. Subscribe, smash the like button, leave me a comment, and ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking, baby. Don't forget to subscribe. We got 500 bucks. We almost there. At 1,000, we're going to do it live and give away 500. Y'all go try this seafood carbonara out. Until next time, peace and love. Goodbye.
I'ma throw some money on you, on you. I'ma throw some hundreds on you, on you. Make it rain, yeah, 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 yeah. Make it rain, make it rain, yeah, 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 yeah. Make it rain. I'ma buy a bottle, make it two, make it two. You see me naked, I'ma see you naked too, naked too. I make it rain, yeah, 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 yeah. Make it rain, yeah, yeah.